Hey guys, this is Amit. In the previous video, we discussed what is component scan and saw how Spring scans the packages and identify classes annotated with the service, repository, controller, and components. But an important question comes here. Once Spring finds these classes, who actually create their objects? Who store them? Who manage them throughout the applications? This is where IoC container comes into the picture. So first, let's understand what is IoC container. IoC stands for Inversion of Control. Before Spring, developer had to create and manage object manually using new keywords. Imagine an application with user service, order service, and payment service. We would have to create and connect all these objects ourselves. For a small application, this is manageable, but as the application grows, managing objects and their dependency becomes difficult. As a result, the code becomes tightly coupled and harder to maintain. To solve these problems, Spring introduced IoC Container. Instead of developer creating and managing object, Spring takes over the responsibilities. That's why it's called inversion of control. The control of object creation is transferred from the developer to the Spring framework. Now let's connect this with what we discussed in the previous video. First, component scan the application package and finds classes annotated with service, repository, controller, and components. Once these classes are found, Spring registers them inside the IoC container as a bean. After that, IoC takes care of several important responsibilities like create beans, dependency management, bean lifecycle management, bean scope management. So without Spring, developer would have to create and manage all these objects manually using new keywords. But with Spring, IoC container automatically creates, store, and manage these beans for us. This will reduce boilerplate codes and make our application more loosely coupled, scalable, and easier to maintain. Follow for more backend concepts. In the next video, we will explore the different types of IoC containers in Spring and understand when to use each one. Thank you for watching.